Hello everyone. Today we will be going to see about logic gates. So let's get started. First is the NOT gate. This is also called as an inverter. And let's see why. So the input A, this is the symbol. You give the input as A. You'll get an inverted output, that is A bar. So from the truth table we can see if the input is 0, you'll get the opposite of it 1. When the input is 1, the output is 0. So we get inverted outputs. Now let's see AND gate. This is the symbol. A and B are the inputs, and this is the Boolean expression y equal to A dot B. A dot B is the output. And this is the truth table. 0, 0, 0 will give. When the inputs are 0, 1, you'll get 0. 1, 0, you get 0. Only when both the inputs are high, then we'll get an output as high. That is 1. Now, let's move on to OR gate. This is the symbol. A and B are the inputs again. This is the Boolean expression y is equal to A plus B. Here you can see from the truth table, only when the inputs, both the inputs are low, you get a low output. That is, when both the inputs are 0, the output will be 0. Otherwise, the output will be high or 1. Now, let's see NAND gate. This is the symbol. A and B again are the inputs. NAND gate is like an invert of AND gate. The symbol is similar to AND gate with a bubble next to it. That signifies the invert. So it will be, the Boolean expression will be y is equal to A dot B, the whole bar. Here, this is the truth table. You can see, contrary to the AND gate, the output is low only when both the inputs are high. Now, let's look into the NOR gate. It is like OR gate cascaded with NOT gate. The Boolean expression is y is equal to A plus B. And here is the truth table. Here we can see the output is high or 1 only when both the inputs are low, that is 0, 0. You can see here. So now let's see an XOR gate. This is the symbol. The Boolean expression is as shown, A XOR B. This is A bar B plus AB bar. And this is the truth table. 0, 0 will be 0, 0, 1 will be 1, 1, 0 will be 1, 1, 1 will be 0. Here we can observe one thing, that if both the inputs are same, like 0, 0 and 1, 1, then the output will be 0. And if both the inputs are different, like here you can see 0, 1 and 1, 0, the output is 1. One more thing you can observe is that when any one of the input is 0, 0, then the output will be simply the another input. Similarly, when any one of the input will be 1, then the output will be invert of the other input. You can see 0, 1, it is 1, 0. Now let's see XNOR gate. XNOR gate is nothing but an invert of XOR gate. This is the symbol. and the output Boolean expression will be A XOR B the whole bar, which we can solve it and write it as A bar dot B bar plus AB. And this is the truth table. 0 0 will give you 1, 0 1 will give you 0, 1 0 will give you 0, 1 1 will give you 1. Hope you like this video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.